it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they were going to say. Let the storm redraw. The cold never bothered me anyway.